Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to sell your own ebook or info product on Whop. Whop is a digital marketplace and makes the process straightforward, whether you're a seasoned author or just stepping into the world of digital sales. I will walk you through every step to get your ebook live and available for potential buyers. Before you can start selling, you will need a Whop account. If you don't have one already, head over to Whop and sign up using my link in the description below. It's free and easy to get started. Once you are logged in, enter your account details like your name, home address and payment options, and you're ready to begin setting up your ebook for sale. Whop uses apps to manage product downloads, and for ebooks you will need the File Upload app. Navigate to the Whop App Store, use the search bar and type in Files. Select the Files app and click Add. This app is essential because it handles the storage and delivery of your ebook when customers purchase it. Now it's time to upload your ebook file. Click Add File and choose your ebook file from your computer. Most ebooks are in PDF format, but other ebook formats will work just as well. When your file is uploaded, it's time to list your ebook. Go to Products and click Add Product. Next, give your ebook an identity, so enter a product name, write a compelling description that highlights the value of your book. You can use ChatGPT to do this for you. Then you need to set a selling price. Whop allows you to tweak the checkout experience. You can add a frequently asked questions section about your book or add prompts or instructions that your buyers might need during purchase. When everything is set up, click Create Product and your ebook is now officially live and ready for orders. Whop gives you a direct checkout link for each product. Share this link anywhere your audience is active on social media, email newsletters or your personal website. Selling a book on Whop doesn't have to be complicated. By following these steps, you can have your own digital book up and running in no time, reaching readers and generating income with ease. If you liked this video, please leave a like, share it with others, or subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to get all my latest money-making videos first. Thanks for watching and have a great day.